Franklin, PA. There's a good restaurant there called Trails to Ales. And fittingly, after we fill up on some food, I think we're going to go for a walk on the trails. A little hike. I'll try to keep you guys posted here. It feels good to be back on this bike, man. It's been too long. I was concerned about the smell, but it was a little fire there, not on the bike, obviously. So I feel better about that. I don't know, do you guys do 3 fingers down for those trikes? I might be the only guy who does that. I guess I should have mentioned that this ride is particularly pretty, especially towards the second half of the ride. There are a lot of really nice curvy roads, and I think I'll enjoy it quite a bit. I mean, I'm already enjoying it. I have been missing this bike in a way that I don't think most of you guys could really understand. Because at the end of the day, it's just a lump of metal, but I don't know. It's more than a lump of metal to me. Starts getting pretty good. Although I'm surprised the trees are as dead as they are. I think this ride looks really nice in the fall. I never even considered how much gas I have either. last time I came around this bend, there was a whole bunch of water on the road for some reason after this upcoming bend. So it'd be funny if it was there again, but I wasn't expecting it the first time. Yeah, like right up here somewhere. Yeah, right around there by that drain. Man, I've never really used this as a back cracking tool, but that felt pretty good. Alright, we got some spotted rain here, but I'm pretty sure we'll be alright. A couple of interesting little bikes over there. Maybe probably shouldn't call them little bikes.
Battery status 75%. Sorry.
Did you write that, Julia?
No.